Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll connect with self-care by using a mantra to tap into loving kindness and gently direct it towards ourselves. Start by settling into a comfortable seat. Let your spine lengthen upward with ease. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face. And slowly close your eyes. As you tune into your breath, draw your attention to the very center of your heart and take a few heartfelt inhales and exhales. Breathing in, imagine your heart center expanding out towards the edges of your rib cage. Breathing out, imagine your skin, your lungs, your ribs gently releasing back towards the center of your heart again. Inhaling, your heart expands. Exhaling, your heart softens. As you continue to take these heart-filled and heartful breaths, bring in a sense of kindness, directing tenderness towards your own self. And now we'll begin the practice of Metta. The Pali word Metta translates as loving kindness. Metta helps us become more friendly with ourselves, approaching our own being with tenderness and kindness. We do this by repeating a simple mantra. So let's begin. Silently repeat the following words, bringing a gentle kindness to each word. May I have happiness and the causes of happiness. May I have happiness and the causes of happiness. May I have happiness and the causes of happiness. And notice how these words feel when you offer them to yourself. May I have happiness and the causes of happiness. May I have happiness and the causes of happiness. Now find a rhythm that suits you, and as you keep going for a few moments, stay present with this feeling of kindness and ease. It's normal to feel a bit odd at first when you practice Metta. So do your best to drop any judgments or labels and stay open to the experience. With loving kindness, continue to direct these words towards yourself. May I have happiness and the causes of happiness. May I have happiness and the causes of happiness. Now, slowly allow the words to dissolve and return to your breath. and take a moment to notice the effects of your practice of metta. No good or bad, right or wrong, just notice how you feel. And when you're ready, start to bring your attention back into the room around you. Bring small movements into your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes. Be kind to yourself today, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.